So I saw this hack on TikTok that would allow me to connect with my audience without me having to spend hundreds of hours just creating contents. I wanna give it a try. I'm documenting my journey and I'm bringing you guys with me. First, I went to chat.openai.com. It will ask you to create an account, so it's either you log in or you sign up if you don't have an account yet. Ito yung patok na pinagtatalunan nila ngayon, ChatGPT. Right there, let me just type in. Write me a quote from the book Atomic Habits. Enter. It then gave me this long list here. Obviously, may mga palpak because may mga sunod-sunod na same quote, but that's okay. Open Google, waffle icon, sheets, so that it will let me open this blank sheet. And then I'm gonna go back to the list, copy this. I'll paste it here. I'll make sure now when I paste it, paste with values only. I'll also add the source and then just copy, drag, pack. I then go to File, Download, CSV, pack. I save it on my desktop. I then open canva.com, click on Instagram Reel, choose a design I like. I like this design pero may babaguhin tayo. So I'll click on that, lalagay na siya dito. First, babaguhin ko muna yung nasa background niya. So I'll click on that and then I'll go to Elements. Once I have the design in place, and then you click on Apps, Bulk Create. Upload CSV, click the correct file. You click on the element, tapos connect data, tapos you connect it with the right one. And then, click on continue. Generate 23 pages. Tapos eto na. Ayan na. Girl, nanggawa na talaga siya. My problem here is, eto is naka isang video lang talaga siya. So, i-double check ko lang muna yung results. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to individually download na lang, siguro, for now. Done. Download. And then, pwede ko na siyang i-schedule. Nice! In about 15 minutes, I now have 23 reels na pwede kong i-schedule. Oh my God! Salamat, technology! Hoy, chika nyo kung gagawin nyo to, ha? At saka kung meron pa kayong mas mabilis na paraan. Alam nyo na wala nag-gatekeep sa pamilyang to. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Enjoy!